A federal judge in New Hampshire has temporarily blocked President Trump's executive order aiming to end birthright citizenship, calling it a threat of irreparable harm.
The court certified a class nationwide of children who are impacted by the president's executive order and enjoined it from going into effect on July 27th. This is going to protect every single child around the country from this lawless, unconstitutional, and cruel executive order.
The judge granted the injunction Thursday, but only for 7 days, giving the government a chance to appeal. This legal fight kicked off on June 27th, hours after the Supreme Court ruled that lower courts may have gone too far with nationwide injunctions. At that point, plaintiffs filed a nationwide class action suit. At the core of the dispute is the 14th Amendment, citizenship for anyone born or naturalized here in the U.S. Trump's order signed January 20th reinterprets that right as a privilege rather than a guarantee. The Supreme Court ruled 6-3 that lower courts may have overreached when they issued universal injunctions, which are known as legal orders that block policies for everyone. Justice Amy Coney Barrett wrote that courts can protect plaintiffs but not block laws for people not involved in the case.
We've gotten an outpouring of concern and confusion and fear from people who are going to be subjected to this order around the country. People telling us that they're considering changing where they're going to deliver their babies, moving away from their doctors, their communities, worrying about their families being torn apart because of the Supreme Court's opening the door to this unconstitutional order. Today, this court slammed that door shut.
The court did not rule on whether Trump's order is constitutional. Instead, it sent the case back to lower courts to decide if limited orders are more appropriate. Trump's policy was due to take effect 30 days after signing back in January and would apply only to babies born after that date. It does not affect children born to legal permanent residents or others who already qualified. Find the full story right now by downloading the Straight Arrow News mobile app or visit san.com. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Kaylee Carey.